Hi everyone, today we are going to wire a float switch, contactor and water pump control box in easiest way as possible. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to connect our live wire from our breaker to L1 of this contactor and our neutral wire from this neutral link here to L2 of this contactor. So we'll go ahead and do it. First, I'm going to connect my live wire to my breaker here, this way. Then I'm going to connect the wire to L1 of my contactor. So I'll go ahead and do it this way and I'll tighten it. Now we are going to connect our neutral wire from our neutral link here to L2 of our contactor. So we'll go ahead and do it this way. Then from here I'm going to connect it to L2 of our contactor. You can see L2 here. You can see it, our live and neutral wire, our live wire from our breaker to L1 and our neutral wire from our neutral link here to L2. So what we are going to do now, when you look here, you can see that here is our water pump control box. You can see it here. This is the input wire of this water pump control box. So you can see it has a 3 wire. This brown wire is the live wire, this blue wire the neutral wire, and this yellow wire the earth wire. So we are going to connect this brown wire to T1 of the contactor and this blue wire to T2 of this contactor. So we'll go ahead and connect it. First I'm going to connect the left wire to T1 this way. You can see it. You put it to T1 and tight it this way. Then my neutral wire, this push the wire inside this way and tighten it. So you can see it now, our left wire from our breaker to L1 of our contactor, then our neutral wire from this neutral link here to L2 of our contactor, then this input wire of this water pump control box to T1 and neutral wire to T2. So what we are going to do now is to wire our float switch. When you look at our float switch, when you look at this float switch, you can see that it has 3 different wires. Every float switch has 3 wires. This black wire here is the common wire of this float switch. This blue wire is normally open wire and this brown wire is the normally closed wire. So this black wire now is the live wire, is the common wire of this float switch. So we are going to connect this black wire to our live wire here. We are going to loop this black wire to this live wire here. Then this blue wire, the normal open wire, will connect this blue wire directly to our contactor coil, to A1 of our contactor coil. Then so what is this way. Then this black wire, the common wire of the float switch, I will put it here. You can see it, the black wire of our float switch, the common wire of the float switch to our live wire here. Then this blue wire, the normal open wire of the float switch, I'm going to connect it to A1 of our contactor coil. So when you look here closely, if you look here closely, you will see that this terminal here is the A1 and this one here is the A2. So we are going to connect this blue wire of our float switch to A1 of our contactor coil here. So we'll go ahead and do it. First, I'll go ahead and slack the screw. I'll go ahead and loosen the screw. Go ahead and put it this way. Now we are done. So if you look here, you can see that here is the A2 of our contactor coil. We are going to connect our neutral wire from this neutral supply here to A2. So let me show you the contactor. After that, I'll put the wire this way and tighten it. Then this wire here, I'm going to connect this wire to this our neutral supply here. I will lose it and put the wire. I'll loosen it this way. Then I'll pull the wire back and tighten it. Now we are done with the connection. We are done with the connection. So if you look here closely, if you look at this control box closely, let me lose it here. If you look at the control box closely, you will see that this 3 terminal is where you connect your water pump. this one, and this one is where you connect your water pump. Then this one is for the earth. You can see it here. You can see it. Your water pump wire will go through here to this 3 terminal here. I don't have a water pump here. I would do that for you. So we are going to test the connection right now. And if you look here, you can see that this is the on button. This is the stop and on button of this control box. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep this switch. Now we are going to leave this switch permanently on so that the flow switch will be controlling the water pump. So I'm going to turn this thing on now permanently and leave it. It's on now, and I'm going to turn on my breaker. You can see it turns on because our flow switch is in low position. You can see it. So you can see that when there is no water in your tank, the flow switch will be in down position. And when the flow switch is in down position, your water pump will turn on automatically. You can see that the contactor close and this indicator light here shows on to tell you that your water is pumping. So as your water is pumping, the flow switch is going up with the water till the water full your tank, and your water pump will turn off automatically. You can see it. When water full your tank, your water pump will switch off automatically, and when there is no water in your tank, your water pump will turn on automatically. So this is how to wire a float switch, contactor and control box. So thanks so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. So thanks.